Hello, today we're going to work on 2007 Honda Accord. We're going to do the rear brakes. So we're going to take off the tire first. Break free all the lug nuts. And just take the tire off. This is a 19mm socket. That's what I'll use to take off all the lug nuts. So I'm using a 14mm, and you want to break free the lower caliper bolt and the top caliper bolt. As you can see, if you look at the caliper, you got one here, one there, 14mm. You take off the caliper. You can see how much pad's on the new pad versus how much is left in the old one. It's worse on the other side. So we're going to put the new pads on. Make sure you got the right one for the right side. Line up your indicator. If you grab the wrong one, obviously the wear indicator for the other side would be upside down. Make sure you get the right pad. So I put the caliper back on just so I could break the bleeder screw free. It's super rusty, makes it a lot easier. I bought these from Honda, and I called them and they told me you're only supposed to have 2 shims, even though the original ones have a shim on the pad with the indicator. They said it don't need it, so we'll install it without it. Alright, so I had to go to the parts store and buy this piston brake tool. Went down to Advanced Auto. So you can see you got the cross in the middle of the piston. You have to find the one that matches up. So this is the one I used. You put it in here on the cross, and you just slowly turn it in with the bleeder screw open. Once you're done, tighten up the 10mm bleeder screw. Now you can clean up the old caliper hardware. Just gonna reuse that. Get the hardware in there. I'm gonna reuse that. Put a little bit of grease on the back of the shim. Put some on the contact point. Put a little bit on the back of this pad. Bit on the inner. Once the piston's compressed, be able to slide it back on the new brake pads. Tighten up the rear. And use a 17mm to hold it. Use the inner. Use a 17. Get the motor. Go to the top right. There is the brake fluid reservoir. Fill it up. People will gravity bleed it. You can see it's coming out. Make sure there's no air in the system. Once it's just coming out with no air, you can tighten it back up. Once it comes out with no air bubbles, tighten it back up and just fill her up. I do it the old-fashioned way. I get an assistant, pump up the brakes, and then I'll open the bleeder valve when they hold the brake, squeeze out the air, make sure, and then we'll pump it up, open it up. After you bleed the brakes, you're good to go. That's when you're done, throw some brake cleaner on the rotor, clean off any grease. This is how you put brake pads on a 2007 Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe. If this video helped you out, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.